If you need to change your email in Lucidchart, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're updating to a new work address, fixing a login issue, or just keeping your account details current, changing your email is simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. First, sign in to your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account options. From the menu, select Account Settings. This is where Lucidchart keeps your personal account information, including your email address. Now, in the User Settings area, look for the email address field. You should see your current email listed there. Next to it, click Edit. This will open the option to update your login email. Go ahead and type in your new email address carefully. Make sure there are no typos because this is the address Lucidchart will use for sign-in and verification. In some cases, Lucidchart may ask you to enter your current password before saving the change. If that happens, just type it in so the platform can confirm your identity. Once everything looks correct, click Save Changes. That's the main part done, but there's one more important step left. After updating the email, you'll usually need to verify the new address. To do that, sign out of your Lucidchart account first, then sign back in using your new email address. Check your inbox for a verification email or verification code from Lucidchart. If you receive a code, enter it exactly as shown. If you receive a verification link, open it and follow the instructions. This verification step is important because it confirms that the new email belongs to you and helps keep your account secure. Once the verification process is complete, your Lucidchart email update should be fully finished. And that's it. You've now changed your email in Lucidchart. It only takes a few minutes, but it's important to make sure every step is done carefully so you don't lose access to your account. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.